Be torn down. It really should be.
In Grandin, Bailey Hurley, Valley News Live.
If you have any information on these incidents, you can call dispatch. That number is 701-451-7660. A cool summer day today with much different temperatures than what we saw a couple weeks ago. Let's see how much we're cooling down this evening in your no-wait weather with meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie. Good evening, everybody. As temperatures about 10 to 15 degrees below average for this time of year. Here are the current temperatures outside, only across the 60s as you make your way into the viewing area. Lower 60s into Lakes Country, some upper 60s from the Red River points off to the west right now. And temperatures are cool because of a northerly wind, a little breezy, especially into Lakes Country. Winds of 10 to 25 miles per hour. We are mainly clear with mostly sunny skies across most of the viewing area with just a thunderstorm just off to the west of Ellendale and Edgeley. That will be the story this evening. Mainly clear skies, temperatures falling back from the 60s into the 50s. Now we're going to stay cool for most of the next week, and it could be an active week ahead. We'll have the full details in the 7-day forecast. Now let's check in with Hush Johnson at the Cashwise Backyard Barbecue.
Much, Justin. I got to tell you, it's a beautiful evening. Yes, it's cooler, but a nice little breeze for Cashwise Backyard Barbecue. We're here in South.
Getting scammed? Call the whistleblower hotline.
And welcome back. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. The Valley News Live Storm Team Sky Cam Network shot in Fargo. Temperatures staying cool today, only rising through the 60s. Mostly sunny skies with just a few passing clouds, especially as you look off to the west. Here's the current temperatures right now at 68 degrees in Fargo, but lower 60s into Lakes Country. Some areas closer to 70, especially out toward the Jamestown, Carrington area right now. But into the upper 60s, Northern Valley, Devil's Lake Basin with lower 60s into northwestern Minnesota. Still around 10 to 15 degrees cooler than it should be this time of year. We got that northerly wind of around 10 to 30 miles per hour. Breeziest conditions into Lakes Country right now. The northerly wind pumping down cooler air from Canada, but mostly sunny skies across most of the viewing area right now. An increase in the clouds as you make your way south of Jamestown, west of Edgeley and Ellendale, with one thunderstorm just about to cross into the South Dakota portion of our viewing area. And that's it for the moisture. A couple areas of high pressure in charge of our forecast. We got this one off to the north. It's giving us mostly sunny skies and that cool northerly flow. We do have a little bit of a disturbance that is affecting our far south and western viewing area, but more high pressure to the south, and warmer air will filter in as we go through the day tomorrow and round out the work week. So here's the hour-by-hour forecast. Other than a few isolated showers, we are mostly clear this evening. Temperatures falling back through the 50s, and some of us will be into the mid-40s for low temperatures. And then for the day tomorrow, we will keep partly cloudy skies. Some isolated showers, possible rumbles of thunder are possible, but most of us staying dry with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Wind flipping around in more of a southerly direction. Wind speeds around 10 to 20 miles per hour as temperatures get into the mid-70s going through the day tomorrow. Across the viewing area, some upper 60s into Lakes Country, and we could be a little warmer, mid to upper 70s out toward Jamestown and Devil's Lake. And then most of the daylight hours Friday look pretty good. Again, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, and we are going to warm it up, most of us close to that 80-degree mark for the day on Friday. And going into the late afternoon, into the evening, we do have the chance of some thunderstorms, and some of them actually could be strong to severe. Marginal risk of severe weather going through the day on Friday, meaning one or two of the storms could produce large hail damaging winds, but it does not look like a widespread event. Again, the timing on this one for the possible severe weather is Friday late afternoon through the evening. Here is the photo of the day. This is called Calm Before the Storm in Valley City. Thank you to Jenny for this one, using the background of the 7-day forecast. 74 for tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, chance of some showers and thunderstorms Friday. Temperatures rising into the lower 80s, and then a rain chance through the weekend. 73 on Saturday, 68 on Sunday, chance of some showers, and then Monday partly cloudy, 73, 75 Tuesday, and 73 on Wednesday. As we stay cooler than average for this time of year, Tuesday and Wednesday, a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, otherwise partly cloudy. There's your weather. Let's check in with Hutch now at the Cashwise Backyard Barbecue.
Justin, thanks so much. Here in South Fargo, the weather.
And we will see mostly clear skies, temperatures falling back.
Still smell the smoke here.
And we will see mostly clear skies, temperatures falling back from the 60s into the 50s through this evening. Some active weather on the way Friday, some thunderstorms possible, rain chances through the weekend, temperatures rising into the low 80s by Friday.
Okay, thank you, Justin. And thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We have more news right now over on KX4. Good night, everyone.
And 15.
Much different temperatures. 701-451-7660. A cool summer day today with much different temperatures than what we saw a couple weeks ago. Let's see how much we're cooling down this evening in your no-wait weather with meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie. Good evening, everybody. Mostly sunny skies, the story across most of our viewing area right now, with just one shower as you make your way south of Jamestown and off to the west of Edgeley and Ellendale. About to move into South Dakota right now, and some rumbles of thunder with this one, and that's all the moisture we have across the viewing area. Temperatures staying cool for this time of year, lower 60s across our Minnesota counties and upper 60s from the Red River points off to the west. And we're cool because of that northerly wind, a little breezy in some areas, especially into Lakes Country, where they have wind of around 15 to 30 miles per hour. It's pumping down that cool air from Canada. That will be the story this evening. Mostly clear skies, temperatures falling back from the 60s through the 50s, with low temperatures tonight into the mid to upper 40s. We have an active weather pattern ahead, multiple rain chances. We warm up to round out the week and then cool down into early next week. We'll have the full 7-day forecast coming up. Now let's check in with Hutch for the Cashwise Backyard Barbecue.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. I got to tell you, the weather is absolutely beautiful out here. A nice, cool evening, very pleasant to be outdoors. Hopefully you can get out and do so. We're here in South Fargo with this week's winner, Kay Macy. Kay, where did you sign up to win?
South Fargo.
Initiative to give dads more of a chance to change their child's diapers still ahead tonight.
And cooler than average for this time of year. High temperatures across the region, only into the 60s, but we're warming up over the next couple of days. Details coming up next.
Motorcycle lawyer.
And welcome back. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. The Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo as we saw mainly sunny skies. Looking off to the west, a few more passing clouds, but temperatures staying into the 60s, which is cool for this time of year. Current temperature outside right now at 68 degrees in Fargo and Moorhead. Wind north-northwest 13 to 24 miles per hour. And making our way into the Grand Forks area at 69 degrees. Wind about 10 to 20 miles per hour from a northerly direction, a cool direction, bumping down cool air into the lower 60s across Lakes Country, but upper 60s to near 70 in Jamestown Valley City up toward Carrington, upper 60s into the Devil's Lake Basin and Northern Valley, and temperatures into the lower 60s into northwestern Minnesota, about 10 degrees below average for this time of year, with the wind across the region from the north around 10 to 25 miles per hour. Breezy conditions as you make your way off to the south and east of Fargo. And we are seeing mostly clear skies across the viewing area right now. Still tracking that one shower that is just off to the south of Edgeley and about to hit the western portions of Ellendale. A little lightning with this one. It looks like it's weakening now. Just a shower that is now affecting portions of western Dickey County, and that's basically it for the moisture. High pressure in charge of our forecast off to the north, and we have that flow from the north that is keeping us cool. Now, we do have a little bit of a trough just off to our west. Then high pressure will work its way in. High pressure off to the south for tomorrow and for the day on Friday, and that will pump in warmer air as we keep a good amount of sunshine for the next couple of days. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast with mostly clear skies going into this evening, but with the clear skies, temperatures falling pretty fast into the 50s with overnight lows into the mid-40s for most of us. We keep more of the same for the day tomorrow. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. This model has a slight chance of an isolated shower, but looks like most of us will stay dry with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. A high of 74 in Fargo. The wind finally flipping around in more of a southerly direction and warming us up across Lakes Country into the upper 60s. Most everybody else into the mid 70s for high temperatures tomorrow. And then for Friday, most of the daylight hours look good with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, but making our way into the late afternoon and through the evening, some showers and thunderstorms could develop. Some of them could be strong to possibly severe. High temperatures for your Friday getting into the low and possibly mid-80s. Storm Prediction Center does have that marginal risk of severe weather, again meaning one or two storms could produce damaging winds and large hail. Again, the timing on this one is into the evening on Friday. Here's the photo of the day. It is called the calm before the storm in Valley City. Thank you, Jenny, for this one, using the background of the 7-day forecast. And Thursday, mainly dry for tomorrow, a high of 74 with those storms possible. Friday evening, a high of 82 for the day. Saturday, still a chance of some rain, some possible thunder possible. Very slight chance for Father's Day on Sunday. But temperatures falling back into the 60s and 70s for the weekend and low to mid 70s. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday looks dry, partly cloudy. Tuesday and Wednesday, more storm chances under partly cloudy skies. There's your weather. Let's check in with Hutch now at the Cashwise Backyard Barbecue.
Thanks so much, Justin. I'm here with Greg from Cashwise. Father's Day right around the corner, and
Jude Children's Research Hospital, where families never get a bill for the care they receive. The Window World Cares Foundation. Let's give hope a helping hand.
And mostly clear skies this evening. Temperatures falling back through the 60s into the 50s. Now extending the forecast, we warm up. 74 tomorrow and 82 on Friday with a chance of some showers and thunderstorms Friday evening. And we keep a slight chance of rain through the weekend as temperatures cool down.
Thank you, Justin. And thanks for joining us on KX4. Mike has more news right now over on Valley News Live. Have a great night, everyone. The cause of the crash is still unknown. The child involved is 8 years old. We do not know the extent of his injuries at this time. A pretty cool evening for this time of year, but a little bit of a warm-up is heading our way. Before we get to that, though, let's check in with Justin Fanfarelli for your no-wait weather. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie. Good evening, everybody. Here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot at the Dakota Magic Casino. We are seeing mainly clear skies, a light breeze from a northerly direction, keeping us cool into the mid to upper 50s right now across our Minnesota counties. Into the southern valley out toward Jamestown, the Devil's Lake Basin, lower 60s to mid 60s into the northern valley. And wind speeds across the region from a northerly direction around 5 to 20 miles per hour depending on where you are. Still a cool flow. and that is going to continue as we go through the overnight. We have mainly clear skies across the region, just an increase in the clouds between Devil's Lake and Jamestown. Some showers, if they hold together, could get into the Devil's Lake Basin, James River Valley over the next couple of hours. Most of us, though, will be mainly dry during the overnight. Just this little disturbance right here in our western counties. High pressure to our north in charge of our forecast, giving us the mainly clear skies. And the flow from the north, we're going to tap into more of a southerly flow going over the next couple of days. It will warm us up, the high pressure, giving us a good amount of sunshine. Here's how it looks on the hour-by-hour forecast. Mainly clear skies tonight. Maybe a few more clouds and a shower or two in our western counties. Temperatures tonight cool with the clear skies. Mid to upper 40s. The wind flips around to a southerly direction tomorrow. We will see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Most of us staying dry. Can't rule out a shower or a sprinkle, but we will see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies for most of us, starting off into the upper 40s in Fargo, a high of 74 degrees with those southerly winds 10 to 20 miles per hour for your Thursday. High temperatures across Lakes Country into the upper 60s, and everybody else into the mid 70s as we stay mainly dry through the daylight hours on Friday. More mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. We do have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Some of them could be strong to even possibly severe going through the afternoon into evening on Friday. Marginal risk of severe weather. We will definitely keep our eyes on that one into Friday evening. Then for Saturday, good chance of some showers, possible rumbles with thunder, cooler, high 73, and still a slight chance of some showers on Sunday. Otherwise, partly cloudy, cool, a high of 68. And then 73 on Monday, partly cloudy. And Tuesday, Wednesday, low to mid-70s. Another chance of some showers and thunderstorms.
So definitely enjoy tomorrow before rain and storms comes for the weekend, it looks like.
Tomorrow looks nice, not that warm and mostly sunny skies. And again, that chance of storms we're watching for Friday evening.
Okay, thank you, Justin. Relief for the disaster left behind from spring flooding in North Dakota. Why the governor is now thanking the president, still ahead tonight.
You're watching Valley News Live on TV.
We have mainly clear skies this evening. Temperatures falling back from the 50s. Low temperatures tonight into the mid to upper 40s, but the wind does flip around in more of a southerly direction, warming us up over the next couple of days. 74 tomorrow, 82 on Friday. We are mainly dry until Friday evening. A chance of some strong to possibly severe thunderstorms. Saturday and Sunday, some rain showers possible. Temperatures getting into the upper 60s by Sunday, then rising back through the 70s. More shower and storm chances Tuesday and Wednesday.
Thank you, Justin. A SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket blasted off from a foggy California coast.
So it's over.
Like lower
1-241-5777. Be sure to reference the number on the photo. A little windy and cloudy out there today. Let's see what we have in store for the rest of our evening with Justin in your no-wait weather. Justin?
Yeah, thank you, Melanie. Good evening, everybody. Temperatures are a lot warmer than they have been the past couple of days, with temperatures already well into the 70s, closer to 80 out toward Jamestown and Devil's Lake. Lower 70s into the Fargo area and into Lakes Country, and mid-70s northwestern Minnesota and the northern valley. It is warmer because we have more of a southerly wind, a little breezy, wind speeds 10 to 30 miles per hour, and we are seeing mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies across the region. Just a few areas of isolated showers, one into the southern valley approaching Lakes Country, and another one into the James River Valley approaching the South Dakota border, but most of us staying dry. We will see partly cloudy to mostly clear skies this evening. Temperatures falling back through the 70s into the 60s as we keep that light breeze from the south. Warmer tomorrow and a chance of some strong to severe thunderstorms. We'll have that and a look at the weekend ahead. That's coming up later in the newscast.
Okay, thank you, Justin. Authorities say 32-year What we know so far, still ahead tonight.
And after a cool start this morning, temperatures into the mid-70s is right where we should be this time of year. Temperatures on their way up for tomorrow, but cooling down for the rest of the work week. We'll have the details coming up.
Collision Center.
And welcome back. Here is a look at our tower cam time lapse of Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo as we saw mainly clear skies into the morning and looking off to the west, more passing clouds later on to the afternoon. At times we were mostly cloudy, other times we were partly cloudy, staying mainly dry into the Fargo area. More rain showers just off to the south and to the west of Fargo. Temperatures near where they should be this time of year, into the mid to upper 70s into the southern valley. We fall into 72 into the Fargo area, lower 70s into Lakes Country. Warmest air now between Jamestown and Devil's Lake. They're into the upper 70s, and a little warmer into the northern valley and northwestern Minnesota, with most areas into the mid 70s as of right now. The wind has flipped around from a northerly direction to a southerly direction. Wind speeds around 15 to 30 miles per hour, so a little breezy, and it's making us pretty warm. The southerly wind is making us warm. So is the sunshine that we are getting right now. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies across most of the viewing area, and still some passing showers, especially as you make your way into the southern valley, into Lakes Country right now, and also from the New Rockford, Carrington area, just off to the east, seeing some rumbles of thunder with the rain, and just off to the south of Jamestown, some passing showers. We have high pressure mainly in charge of our forecast. I have a cold front, though, sparking off some of the showers, possible rumbles of thunder. The flow is from the south, and that is keeping us warm. Now we're tracking this cold front that is just off to our west that will make its way through for the day tomorrow. Give us some possible strong to severe thunderstorms. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast, though. With the exception of the isolated showers this evening, we will be partly cloudy to mostly clear. Temperatures falling back through the 60s, and some showers are possible tomorrow morning, but most of the daylight hours look dry. Temperatures getting into the mid-70s to lower 80s depending on where you are, with some showers and thunderstorms developing and moving west to east across the viewing area through the evening and early overnight hours. This is when we could see some strong to severe thunderstorms. Fargo area planner for tomorrow starting off into the mid-50s, highs in the lower 80s with those late afternoon into the evening thunderstorms. Cooler into northwestern Minnesota, some mid-70s on the maps for highs. Most of us, though, into the upper 70s and lower 80s. And then making our way through the overnight Friday into Saturday, some rain showers still around, even lasting until Saturday morning. We have a frontal boundary that will set up over us. So anytime across the area for your Saturday and even into early Sunday, we could see some showers and some possible rumbles of thunder. We're on the cool side of this system as temperatures fall back from the mid-60s to lower 70s going through your Saturday. And you can still see the rain lasting through Saturday evening. It will be a little breezy with that northerly wind as temperatures fall back through the 50s for your Saturday evening plans. But we're tracking Friday evening, marginal risk of severe weather. Again, the best time for this between 6 and midnight for tomorrow. Let's take a look at that extended forecast. We keep the chance of some showers, possible rumbles of thunder, and cool down for the weekend. High on Sunday only near 65, but Monday is our dry day. High of 73 with mostly sunny skies. Other than that, active through the rest of the week. Tuesday through Thursday, more rain chances and highs in the low to mid 70s.
So get ready for a lot of rain, it looks like, starting tomorrow.
Yeah, active weather pattern. We do need some rains, and some of us could get a good amount of rain through the week.
Okay, thank you, Justin. Protest erupted in Memphis, Tennessee over
Champion.
Good night, everyone.
Dude, I can't read this. It's bacon. Artie's because it tastes better.
And we have an active weather pattern, chance of some showers and thunderstorms the next few days going through your Father's Day weekend. Temperatures falling from 82 tomorrow, back into the upper 60s by Sunday, but sunny on Monday.
Okay. Thank you, Justin. And thanks for joining us on KX4. Andrea has more news right now over on Valley News Live. Good night, everyone. Back for the evening turn.
Live from Fargo and serving you on TV, online, and on the go. This is Valley News Live at 9 on Fargo CW.
Our quiet Thursday evening turned stormy for some. Isolated storms have been moving through North Dakota, bringing rain, hail, thunder, and this funnel cloud north of Glenfield, North Dakota. A viewer captured this image just after 7 this evening. Let's find out what we can expect for the rest of tonight with Justin in your no-wait weather. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie. Good evening, everybody. Most of us right now are staying dry. As you can see on our map right here, partly cloudy to mostly clear skies in some areas. Let's take a look at where it is raining as of right now. First off, we do have a thunderstorm, just a general thunderstorm hitting the Valley City area. Some brief heavy rain and some lightning. The severe weather ended around 8 o'clock. The severe weather started in portions of eastern Foster County, moving into Griggs County, into northern Barnes County, where hail up to a $50 size was possible, along with possible funnel clouds and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The activity has moved into the Valley City area, and some rain showers stretch all the way down just off to the west of the Fargo area, but most of us staying dry. That is going to be the story. We're going to calm down into this evening. Some isolated showers possible. Otherwise, partly to mostly cloudy as temperatures fall back through the 60s. More active weather is possible as we go through tomorrow evening, and a soggy weekend is also possible as temperatures fall. We'll give you the details coming up later in the newscast.
Okay, thank you, Justin.
They did a good
event. And now back to the latest with what's happening outside. Let's check in again with meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie, and good evening, everybody. Looking off to the west on our Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam network shot in far, you can see some rain, that storm that is hitting Valley City as of right now. Moving off to the south and off to the east. It should hit areas just off to the south of Fargo over the next couple of hours or so. All of the advisories have expired, and we will calm down through this evening. Temperatures up and down the Red River Valley near 70, cooler into Minnesota into the 60s, and some areas, especially out toward Jamestown, into the mid-70s still through the 9 o'clock hour. Winds are mainly from a southerly direction. Winds are a little breezy, especially from the Southern Valley into Lakes Country, with wind speeds of 15 to 25 miles per hour. And taking a look at the current radar, you can see that we do have a thunderstorm, some brief heavy rain into the Valley City area, starting to move up to the south and to the east, and some showers out toward Tower City approaching the Fargo area, some showers approaching Ada, and everybody else is just seeing mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies as of right now. Here's where we saw the severe weather on the Griggs and Foster County border, moving through Griggs County into portions of eastern or northwestern Barnes County, just off to the north and to the west of Valley City. $50 sized hail was indicated on our radars, along with possible 60-mile-per-hour winds and some possible funnel clouds. This was between around 6:45 and 8 p.m. Most of the activity has dissipated, just some showers and possible rumbles of thunder. High pressure off to our south, giving us that southerly flow. And we did have that cold front to our north, producing some of the strong to severe thunderstorms. We will continue to see some isolated showers or thunderstorms into this evening. Again, most of us will see partly cloudy skies, and there's a better chance of some showers through your Friday morning. Most of the daylight hours on Friday Friday look good with partly cloudy to some places mostly sunny skies, but going through the evening for your Friday, showers and thunderstorms, possibly strong to severe, a marginal risk of severe weather. That is our lowest risk of severe weather. 1 or 2 storms through the evening tomorrow could produce large hail and damaging winds. Best time frame for that is into the evening. Warmer tomorrow, high of 82 in Fargo, into the 70s across our Minnesota counties. Everybody else into the upper 70s and the lower 80s. Now, through the weekend, a good portion of us could see a good amount of rain. Making our way through Saturday, a band of showers could set up and stay around the viewing area through most of the day, and that could last through the day on Sunday. And we do need the moisture, though, so it could be a soggy weekend for some of us. Temperatures falling back from near 70 to the mid-60s by Sunday. But sunny skies on Monday, high of 73, but more active weather Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, more thunderstorm chances with temperatures into the low to mid 70s.
So a soggy Father's Day, so it might be a good day to do some stuff inside, it looks like.
Yeah, inside. Keep your eye on the radar on our weather app, and if it's raining near you, maybe go inside. Not everybody is going to see a lot of rain. It's not going to be a washout for the weekend. Just be aware it could be raining.
Okay, thank you, Justin. Press Secretary Sarah Sanders will be leaving the White House in 1 month. More details around her departure still ahead tonight.
Get ready.
And look for exits and where you could possibly hide if needed. Again tonight, we've got another chance of thunderstorms, but not all of us will be seeing them. Let's get the latest from Justin Fanfarelli in your No Wait weather. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie. Good evening, everybody. Most of us are seeing partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies across the region. We are tracking one thunderstorm into the Southern Valley, making its way into Lakes Country right now. This is approaching the Fergus Falls area. A couple of lightning strikes, some brief heavy rain between, say, the Breckenridge and the Fergus Falls area. Also, some more thunderstorms, just some spotty storms into portions of Hubbard County near the Park Rapids area. And we're also tracking some storms just about to move into the Devil's Lake Basin as of right now. Most of us are staying dry. Temperatures ranging from the mid-70s to lower 80s depending on where you are. We are keeping a light northerly wind in most places, but as we go through this evening, we do have a chance of some thunderstorms. Some of them could be strong to severe, and that threat lasts through the overnight and possibly into the afternoon tomorrow. Temperatures falling back from near 80 into the upper 60s for this evening. We'll have much more on the possibility of severe weather and a look at the weekend forecast and next week. That's coming up later in the newscast.
Okay, thank you, Justin. Authorities in Grafton have an You can head to our website and click on this story. Shocking video of road rage caught on camera. What happened when the people got out of their cars? Still ahead tonight.
Temperatures warm for this time of year into the mid-80s. We should be into the upper 70s after we got some rain showers very early in the overnight, and there's a chance of more showers and thunderstorms through the next 36 hours. We'll have the details coming up. The Valley.
Injured in a motorcycle accident. Call 1-800-LAW-TIGERS. North Dakota's motorcycle lawyers.
And welcome back. Here's a live look outside the Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo. And looking off to the south, we are seeing that thunderstorm that is right now between Breckenridge and Fergus Falls. We are just seeing mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies across most of the region as of right now. The thunderstorms very isolated. Temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s across our Minnesota counties into the lower 80s most everywhere else. Pretty warm for this time of year, even though we do have a light wind from the north around around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here's what it looks like as of right now. We do have some areas seeing a lot of sunshine, especially into northwestern Minnesota and between Jamestown and Fargo. Everybody else seeing partly to mostly cloudy skies with very isolated or to scattered thunderstorms. One between Breckenridge and Fergus Falls, and another one into Hubbard County around the Park Rapids area, one just south of Bemidji. Another shower moving between Jamestown and Edgeley, and more thunderstorm activity is just off to the west of the Devil's Lake Basin. Low pressure system in that area. We got this frontal boundary that is going to set up over us until Saturday evening when it moves off to the south. Now, anytime we could have some showers and thunderstorms, some of them could be strong to severe going through this evening, through the overnight, and through Saturday afternoon. And we do have a clashing of air masses. We were in the cool air, but now we've tapped into more of a southerly flow, and that is giving us warmer air right now. We're going to have that frontal boundary move through. Will be a lot cooler over the weekend, but before that happens, we have to have some showers and thunderstorms across most of the area. Hour by hour forecast shows the spotty nature of the showers and storms into the Southern Valley, into Lakes Country over the next couple of hours. And we're watching that band of storms that is going to develop just into our, just off to the west of our viewing area, moving through the Devil's Lake Basin, eventually approaching the Red River Valley during the overnight, and then moving through our Minnesota counties with some heavy rain, lots of lightning, and possibly hail and damaging winds. And then for Saturday, into the morning, still some scattered showers and thunderstorms. We are watching into the late morning and early afternoon hours. We have a lot of spin in the atmosphere. Another chance of some severe weather into the early afternoon, ranging from just south of Devil's Lake into the Jamestown area and back into the Wahpeton Breckenridge area. Again, hail damaging winds, and with the spin in the atmosphere, we could see some isolated funnel clouds or tornadoes. Again, the best chance of seeing that Saturday afternoon. The whole system moves off to the south by the evening, and that's where the severe weather will be. Just some scattered showers going through the overnight into Sunday morning. Marginal risk of severe weather into our southern and western portions of the viewing area for your Friday, and a small area from just south of Devil's Lake, Jamestown to the Wahpeton Breckenridge area. Marginal risk of severe weather for tomorrow afternoon to encompass the chance of seeing those possible funnel clouds, maybe an isolated tornado, possibly some hail and damaging winds into tomorrow afternoon. Just be aware of that. Otherwise, we'll have mostly cloudy skies, some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Fargo is actually going to be on the cool side of this system. Temperatures really falling over the next couple of days into the upper 60s for highs for the day tomorrow. Some areas into the Devil's Lake Basin for highs tomorrow, not getting out of the 50s. The warmer air well off to the south. Chance of some showers lasting through the overnight and should be tapering off by Sunday morning. Most of us are going to be dry by the afternoon, but temperatures staying cool for your Father's Day into the low to mid 60s. And finally, some sunshine for the day on Monday into the lower 70s with more chances of some showers and thunderstorms Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And temperatures near normal to just slightly below normal as we go through most of next week as we stay into the low to mid 70s.
So get ready for a soggy weekend, but it sounds like we need the rain, right?
Yeah, we do need the rain. It'd be best if we didn't have the severe weather, but we're going to be keeping our eyes on it tonight and for the day tomorrow. Sunday looks mainly dry.
Okay, thank you, Justin. Suspects in the case of the shooting. Former Boston Red Sox.
Cloudy to mostly sports. And this evening, we've got partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, a chance of some showers and thunderstorms late in the night into the overnight. And for the day tomorrow, temperatures are actually going to fall from the mid-80s today into the mid to upper 60s for your Saturday and Sunday. It looks like most of the rain out of here by Sunday morning. And then Monday, partly cloudy, more rain chances. Tuesday through Friday, temperatures staying near where they should be this time of year into the low to mid 70s through next week.
Yeah, another cool down this weekend, so maybe keep a jacket with a hood with you, it looks like,
jacket.
too.
That's going to be necessary with some 60s, right?
Yeah, thanks, Justin. And thanks for joining us on KX4. Have a good weekend, everyone.
Shop today by
We'll get to are mourning the loss of a beloved mother, daughter, and girlfriend tonight following a fatal crash in Monoman County. We'll get to how she's being remembered in an exclusive interview a little later on in the newscast. But first, strong winds and large hail could be heading our way right now from western North Dakota. Let's check in with meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli right away for the very latest. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie. Good evening, everybody. Most of us are dry, seeing partly cloudy skies right now in our viewing area, where we're tracking one strong thunderstorm in our southern viewing area as of right now. It's moving out of Dickey County and affecting Ransom and Sargent County. We could see penny to dime-sized hail from this one, along with wind gusts around 50 miles per hour, brief heavy rain and a lot of lightning stretching from the Lisbon area down toward Gwinner and just off to the south of Oaks. That is eventually going to move off to the east and should affect Richland County or move into portions of northeastern South Dakota going over the next couple of hours. The main event is this batch of some strong to severe thunderstorms into central North Dakota as of right now. That will continue to move off to the east going through the overnight. And over the next, say, 24 hours, we do have a good chance of seeing some strong to severe thunderstorms across our viewing area. Temperatures right now are warm for this time of year, into the low to mid 70s in most places. So partly cloudy skies, storms moving through during the overnight, possibly lasting through tomorrow afternoon. But tomorrow, cool for most of us. We'll have what the weekend forecast looks like and a sunny day on Monday, but more active weather on the way for next week. The details coming up later in the newscast.
Okay, thank you, Justin. The Barnes County Sheriff's Office is asking Hank says if there's one message to take away from this tragedy, it's that people should buckle up. There's also a fundraiser set up for the family. You can find a link to that on our website, valleynewslive.com. It looks quiet out there now, but some of us are getting hit with storms into our Friday night. Let's check in again with Justin for the very latest. Justin?
And thank you, Melanie. Let's take a look at our Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam network shot in Fargo. This is looking off to the south and to the west. We can see some of those thunderstorms off to the south and west of Fargo. Otherwise, we have partly cloudy skies, staying dry across most of the region right now as temperatures into the lower 70s across our Minnesota counties, mid to upper 70s from the Red River Valley out toward the Jamestown area, with the wind mainly from a northerly direction. It is pretty light, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now here's where we're seeing the storms as of right now. First off, most of us are staying dry. We still got that strong thunderstorm into portions of Ransom and Sargent County and even into portions of eastern Dickey County just off to the south of Oaks. It's continuing to move off to the south and to the east. So if you're watching from our South Dakota counties or into Richland County, be prepared. You could see a lot of lightning, brief heavy rain, and possibly some small hail and gusty winds. Now, the bulk of the moisture is into portions of central and western North Dakota. Some strong storms. Every once in a while, you see a severe thunderstorm warning about to hit Minot, points off to the south, and this activity is going to move into our viewing area as we go through the overnight. We've got this frontal boundary over us and a clashing of air masses. This frontal boundary will stay over us. The low will very slowly move off to the south and to the east and could give us multiple hours of strong storms possible going through tomorrow afternoon. The Storm Prediction Center just took away the marginal risk of severe weather, and we are under a general thunderstorm risk until 7 a.m. Some storms could become strong, but the marginal risk has been taken away for tonight. Now, going through the day on Saturday, we do still have that marginal risk of severe weather, especially Devil's Lake down toward Jamestown and into the Wahpeton-Breckenridge area, points off to the south. Again, this should say Saturday, a marginal risk of severe weather. So we'll be tracking areas off to our south and to our west going through the afternoon tomorrow. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. That band of some showers and possibly some strong thunderstorms moving through during the overnight, and another one setting up, especially in our southern and western counties for the day tomorrow. With that marginal risk of severe weather, most of the activity should move off to the south, going through the evening hours, and just some showers possible for Sunday morning and even lasting until the afternoon. You could see some sprinkles or showers. Nothing strong from this one. Temperatures over the weekend are going to be pretty cool, only into the upper 60s into the Fargo area Saturday and into the mid 60s on Sunday. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. We are back up into the lower 70s on Monday with partly cloudy skies. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday more active with multiple chances of some showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures should be into the upper 70s this time of year. Going through most of next week, we should be a little below normal. Still not bad, though. Temperatures staying into the mid 70s.
So for Father's Day, it looks like we will still have a little bit of sunshine for grilling. Will that be
maybe a
okay
little
with
bit of
you?
sunshine?
Okay.
It looks the best later on to the day, especially in our southern viewing area. Still a chance of some showers.
Okay, thank you, Justin. A terrifying moment for some New Jersey parents.
Tonight.
Yourself or someone you love, call the number on the screen now. Call now.
Tonight's news is brought to you by Casey's General Store.
And we still have a strong thunderstorm moving through portions of Sargent County right now. Moving into Marshall County, a lot of lightning, brief heavy rain, possibly some small hail and some gusty winds with this one. The bulk of the moisture is back here into portions of central and western North Dakota and could move into our viewing area going through the overnight and possibly into tomorrow morning. A cool weekend, though, into the mid to upper 60s. We get most of the rain out of here by Sunday morning. Monday is dry, partly to mostly sunny, 73, and then more active weather from Tuesday night through Friday, but temperatures staying not bad for this time of year, mainly into the low to mid 70s.
Thank you, Justin. David Gilmour of the rock band Pink Floyd.
Wolf will go on to compete in the Miss America competition, with her platform being suicide prevention. Now let's take a look outside and head on over to meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli for our no-wait weather to see what we can expect this week. Justin?
And thank you, Katie. Good evening, everybody. Let's start off with our Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot at the Dakota Magic Casino. This is I-29 at the North and South Dakota border. We are seeing mainly cloudy skies, still have a light breeze from mainly an easterly direction as we stay dry across the region. Current temperatures into Lakes Country, upper 50s to mid 60s, depending on where you are. Fargo at 63, Jamestown and Valley City into the upper 50s right now, with a 53 in Devil's Lake, Northern Valley closer to 60, and some upper 50s across northwestern Minnesota. A little cool for this time of year. Winds still well, we're still seeing a little bit of spin in the atmosphere, especially at the surface, mainly from an easterly or northeasterly direction, but some of the stations are reporting a westerly direction. Wind speeds around 5 to 20 miles per hour, depending on where you are. Mainly dry across our southern counties, our western counties, and clear skies as you make your way from I-94 points off to the south in North Dakota. And still some scattered rain showers around, especially into northwestern Minnesota as of right now in our far eastern and northern counties. We also have a little bit of a shower just off to the north and to the east of the Grand Forks area right now. Here's what we saw today in terms of some funnel cloud reports. Funnel cloud just off to the north and to the west of the Grand Forks area around 4:27 p.m. And also we had a stronger thunderstorm move into portions of southern Hubbard County near the Park Rapids area that did produce a funnel cloud because of the spin in the atmosphere. That was just before 6 p.m. So still some spin in the atmosphere. A low pressure system just off to our south, but it does stretch across our viewing area right now. It's moving off to the south and off to the east, and we have a cool flow across the area because of high pressure off to our north, and temperatures are pretty cool compared to where they should be this time of year. We should be into the upper 70s, some places near 80 degrees. We only saw highs today into the upper 60s and lower 70s across the region. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. We will see more cloud cover off to the north and to the east, some scattered showers lasting through the evening and overnight, and we still have a slight chance of some rain showers for the day tomorrow. Otherwise, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures rising just a little. Most of us are going to be into the lower 70s as we go through the day tomorrow, and partial clearing by tomorrow evening. Here's what it looks like on the hour-by-hour forecast at 49 to start in Fargo, a high of 73 with partly cloudy skies and still a slight chance of some rain showers going through the day tomorrow. Temperatures mainly into the 60s across northwestern Minnesota, closer to 70 into Lakes Country, and low to mid 60s from Devil's Lake out toward the Jamestown area. And then for Tuesday, we add a couple more degrees to where we will be on Monday. That puts us into the upper 60s to mid 70s, as most of us will see partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies for the day on Tuesday. Here's the photo of the day. It's called Sun and Clouds. Thank you to Cindy for this one, using the background of the 7-day forecast. And recapping the next couple of days, there's that slight chance of some showers, possibly rumble of thunder on Monday, a high of 73, and 75 for Tuesday with partly cloudy skies. Then more active chances for some rain and thunder Wednesday night, Thursday, and Friday. Temperatures staying into the low to mid 70s next weekend. Still can't rule out a passing shower. Otherwise, we stay partly to mostly cloudy with temperatures cool for this time of year into the lower to mid 70s through next weekend.
So we did see some of those funnel clouds today. Is there any risk for anyone at this time?
Yeah, still, we will not see the funnel clouds at night. There is still a chance. They are pretty weak. They're probably not going to cause any damage. If you do see them, definitely just get indoors. And we're going to keep the spin in the atmosphere at least through the overnight.
All right. Well, thank you, Justin. The Boeing CEO comes forward.
And we've got mostly cloudy skies through the overnight. Maybe a chance of a shower. Temperatures falling back through the 50s. A light westerly wind for the day tomorrow. More of the same. Partly to mostly cloudy skies. A chance of a shower. Temperatures ranging from the lower 60s to lower 70s, depending on where you are. And for Tuesday, partly cloudy skies, a high of 75. More rain chances Wednesday, Thursday, and into next weekend as temperatures stay a little cool for this time of year. We should be closer to 80 degrees. High temperatures through most of the week into the low to mid 70s.
All right, thanks, Justin. Hockey is a beloved sport, but did you know?
Back.
She took over the crown from Katie Olson. Wolf will go on to compete in the Miss America competition, with her platform being suicide prevention.
Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with no wait weather.
And here's a look at our tower cam time lapse. Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam Network shot in Fargo as we saw mainly cloudy skies throughout the day. And with a northerly or easterly wind, a cool wind, temperatures not really going very far. We only saw highs getting into the upper 60s. We should be into the upper 70s or closer to 80 this time of year, depending on where you are. At 59 degrees right now in Fargo, still mostly cloudy. Wind from the west around 9 miles per hour. Moorhead at 61. And making our way into the northern valley, into the Grand Forks area, we are seeing a temperature of 57 degrees with mainly cloudy skies, winds west-northwest around 8 miles per hour. Temperatures across the region look like this: into the upper 50s to near 60 from the Fargo area into Lakes Country, mid-50s out toward Jamestown and Valley City. Still some 50s into the Devil's Lake Basin, but closer to 60 into the northern valley and mid to upper 50s into northwestern Minnesota. Winds still a little spin in the atmosphere, so we're seeing winds flip around from a more of a northerly direction to a westerly direction. Wind speeds are pretty light, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here's what it looks like on the satellite loop. The further south and west you go, the clearer skies you see. More cloud cover from Fargo points off to the north and points off to the east. We still got that shower into the northern valley between the Grand Forks area and Thief River Falls. Other than that, near the Canadian border, some rain showers. Lake of the Woods County, some rain showers. And just off to the east of the Park Rapids area, some rain showers right now. Most of us staying dry, though. With the spin in the atmosphere, we've had a couple of reports of some funnel clouds making our way through the day today. One near the Grand Forks area, just off to the north and to the west of the city around 4:27 p.m. We got multiple reports called into a dispatch of a funnel cloud in that direction. We also had a stronger thunderstorm move across portions of southern Hubbard County near the Park Rapids area. With the spin in the atmosphere, did produce a funnel cloud from that one that was closer to the 6 p.m. hour. Most of the activity in terms of the low pressure system still trying to move off to the south and off to the east. We still have a little bit of a spin in the atmosphere which gave us the funnel clouds. We are seeing a northerly flow. High pressure to our north is pumping down cool air from Canada. Temperatures are pretty cool for this time of year, and that'll be the story through the evening. Temperatures for lows into the upper 40s in most places, mostly cloudy skies with a chance of some showers even going through the day tomorrow. Most of us staying dry, though. Temperatures rising into the upper 60s, lower 70s, so we'll add a couple of degrees from where we were today. And for your Monday night, mainly clear skies. There's your high of 73 into the Fargo area. Winds northwest, a little breezy, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Some 60s for highs into portions of eastern Minnesota, or eastern viewing area into central Minnesota, and then making our way out toward Fargo, out toward the Jamestown area into the lower 70s. And then for the day on Tuesday, we will see partly cloudy skies, a mainly dry day with temperatures a little warmer for Tuesday. High temperatures into the mid-70s, partly cloudy skies, and a chance of some showers and thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday, and most of us getting a good amount of rain through midweek and still keep that storm chance for Friday, high of 77, and next weekend, partly to mostly cloudy skies, and a slight chance of some showers each day. Temperatures staying cool for this time of year into the low to mid-70s.
We better keep those umbrellas handy. It looks like a lot of chances of rain.
Umbrellas would be a good idea. Maybe a coat. It's been pretty cool for this time of year.
All right. Well, thank you, Justin. The Boeing CEO comes...
Watch and win on Wednesdays. Valley News Live brings you Twins Trivia. Wednesdays during Valley News Live Sports at 6 and 10.
And mostly cloudy skies with isolated showers this evening. Temperatures falling back through the 50s. Low temperatures into the upper 40s with a light westerly wind. For the day tomorrow, more of the same. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Some isolated showers, possible rumbles of thunder. Temperatures ranging from the lower 60s into our far eastern counties to the lower 70s into the southern valley. Tuesday's our dry day. Partly cloudy into the mid-70s. And then staying into the low to mid-70s. Active weather, multiple chances of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday through next Sunday.
All right, thank you, Justin. Hockey is a beloved sport, but did you know